Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting kitchen appliance that promises to revolutionize the way you cook. We found the CHEFMAN Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer on the market and have added a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the CHEFMAN Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer? This sleek and stylish countertop cooker combines the capabilities of an air fryer, convection oven, rotisserie, and dehydrator, all packed into one convenient appliance. With its impressive 10-liter capacity, it's perfect for preparing family-sized meals or meal prepping large quantities of food. Let's talk about some of the standout features that make this air fryer so versatile. First off, it offers 17 touchscreen presets, allowing you to fry, roast, dehydrate, bake, and more, all with just a tap of your finger. This simplified setup means that anyone, regardless of cooking experience, can whip up perfect meals in minutes. One of the key benefits of the CHEFMAN Air Fryer is its ability to cook faster than traditional ovens. Thanks to its rapid air heating elements, there's no need for preheating, which saves you time in the kitchen. Plus, you can enjoy healthier meals, as it uses 98% less oil than conventional fryers, making it a great choice for those looking to eat better without sacrificing flavor. Now, who is this product suitable for? Well, if you're a busy parent trying to juggle family meals, or someone who enjoys hosting gatherings but lacks the time for extensive meal prep, this air fryer is an excellent solution. It's also perfect for health-conscious individuals who want to indulge in crispy foods without the guilt of excessive oil. Let's explore some practical use cases for the CHEFMAN Multifunctional Air Fryer. Imagine coming home after a long day at work and needing to prepare dinner quickly. With this appliance, you can easily air fry some chicken wings or roast vegetables in no time. If you're planning a weekend get-together, the rotisserie function can impress your guests with perfectly cooked, juicy chicken. And for those who love snacks, you can dehydrate fruits or make homemade chips for a healthy treat. Monitoring your cooking progress is another highlight of this appliance. The interior lights and the extra-large viewing window make it easy to check on your food without having to open the door and disrupt the cooking process. This not only helps to keep your meals on track but also ensures that you achieve that crispy perfection every time. Cleaning up after cooking can often feel like a chore, but the CHEFMAN makes it easy. The removable drip tray and dishwasher-safe parts minimize cleanup time, allowing you to enjoy your meal without the hassle of scrubbing pots and pans. Safety is also a top priority with this air fryer. It's CETL approved and comes equipped with advanced safety technology, ensuring longevity and peace of mind while you cook. Plus, CHEFMAN provides a 1-year assurance, so you can feel confident in your purchase. In summary, the CHEFMAN Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer is a versatile, efficient, and family-friendly kitchen appliance that makes healthy cooking easy and enjoyable. Whether you're air frying, baking, or dehydrating, this appliance is designed to meet